Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Amazing K, Karen K. Rush, and today we celebrate World Hello Day. But before we do that, go ahead, you know what you got to do. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and the contest is still going on. Go ahead and refer 3 people to subscribe, and you can put your name in the drawing to win a complimentary gift, which is going to be a trip. Yay! Compliments of Rush Travels and Adventures. So today is Hello Day, and we are here on a Moroccan African tour, and we are going to say hello to you in all of the different languages. And hello is a way just to bring unity and community together throughout the nations and the people. So, happy Hello Day.
Hello. Wanaka. Hey, what up? Hello. Hello. 안녕하세요.
Oh, I missed over here.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Yes.
How about me? Ahlan.
Hello. Yes, say it again.
Ahlan.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
안녕하세요.
Oh, yes. I love it.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yes.
Hola.
Hola.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Como está?
Oh, my goodness. I love it. Hello.
你好.
Ni hao. Yes. Yes, I know that.
Yo.
Yo. All right.
Let's go.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour, ça va?
Oh my goodness, I love it. All these wonderful hellos.
Yate.
Yes.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Hola.
Tribute. Representative culture.
Yes.
Hello. Mabuhay.
Oh, wonderful. Hello. Happy Hello Day from Amazing K and all of the people on the Morocco Escape.